أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وبه نستعين.
Ilorin ni mi fa eba Ilorin láti bí mi kéwú la fi tọ́ mi Kùránì la fi wò mí dàgbà tí bá jí lówùúrọ̀ ìwòra mi látòkè délẹ̀ ìlọ́lọ́ mo mọ̀ dúpẹ́ ìní ló ṣe yí fún.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Eid Mubarak wa Juma Mubarak. Taqabbal Allah minna wa minkum salih amal.
Welcome to Ilorin, the state capital of Kwara State, Nigeria, where culture and religion comes together, and the both is not contradicting each other. Ilorin Olegun, Esin Legun Ilorin, which is the culture.
You've been wondering what Eid celebration looks like in Ilorin Emirate. This is the moment when philanthropists, politicians, royalty, celebrities, clerics come together to celebrate with love, joy, and happiness.
And it's not news again. We all know this fact already. Not only Nigeria, but entire Africa. This is the only place where people come out in large number to celebrate, most especially during the time of big Eid celebration, which is Eid al-Kabir. And this is the best time for you to visit Ilorin to rejoice with people, with love and happiness. You eat meat, eat everything, and others. As today is double celebration from Eid
To Juma Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Juma Mubarak.
and may witness more celebration alive. You can see people share love with each other, they rejoice together, even though it's not big Eid, but still, this is just the successful of the lovely month of Ramadan. We celebrate, we rejoice, and others, voila, everybody are cool. So if you want to visit Ilorin, the biggest Eid is coming in the next 2 months. Make sure you get yourself prepared. One of the best time for you to visit Ilorin, you see beautiful people, beautiful faces, fine girl, fine boy, fine mind, fine whatever you want. But be cool, be calm, and be happy. This is Ilorin Emirate, Kwara State, Nigeria.
Taqabbal Allah minna. Eid Mubarak, Juma Mubarak. Taqabbal Allah minna wa minkum wa minkum. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Eid Mubarak wa Juma Mubarak. Taqabbal Allah minna wa minkum salih amal. One love, everyone.
Amin, ya Allah. Ya Rabbal Alameen, Amin.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Juma Mubarak. Taqabbal Allah minna wa minkum.
Amin, ya Allah.
Big fans. Jazakumullah khairan.